Hi guys! So ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa or kung paano gawin ang 6 rules of differentiation. So meron akong hinandang tatlo dito. At first, gagawin muna natin ang constant rule. Ang constant rule, if it is just a whole number, it will be always a 0. So it's always a 0 because it is a whole number. And our next, we have power rule. F of x equals x cubed or exponent. You bring down the x and the 3, copy, and we always add minus 1. We always add minus 1. As always, you will always add. And you bring down again, copy the 3, and 3 minus 1 equals 2. Ganyan lang kadali. Power rule, constant rule, power rule, and our constant multiple rule. Here, we have f of x equals 4x 5. We will just copy the 5 and put a point and copy the 4. And copy mo ulit itong x. Copy ulit yung 5, and as I said, kakopy mo ulit tong minus 1. We'll copy again. So here, ang gagawin natin dito is we will just multiple times. The times natin, 5 times 4 equals 20. And eto, ang gagawin natin dito, 5 minus 1 equals 4. Ganyan lang kadali, guys. The times mo and minus. And dito, bring down lang and minus. And dito, always a 0. And let's proceed sa ating number 4. Number 4. Number 4 is sum and difference. Ito, ang gagawin natin dito is, first thing at first, you will just two number, just bring down 2 and 5. Ikupit ka ng point. Pagkatapos ng point, you bring down this x and copy the 2 and always add minus 1. As I said, minus 1. Don't forget that. And you copy again the 3 and point 1, copy the 1 and x plus 0 because ito magiging always 0 siya. So yan, kinopy lang natin siya. As I said, gawa ulit tayo dito baba. So ito, ang gagawin natin dito, parang ginawa natin dito sa my constant multiple rule. Dito naman, ang gagawin natin, ito times din natin. So 5 times 2 equals 10. And copy the x. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. Which is ito. Huwag niyong kinakalimutan itong minus. Yung ina-add nating minus. So, yan. 1 siya. Tapos ito, copy natin itong plus 3. Bring down nyo lang siya. Yan. Ito na yung sagot. Yan. Ang next naman natin gagawin is yung number 5, which is product rule. So, natapos na natin lahat yung 4. So, 5. Let's proceed to the 5. So, here's our given. So, ang gagawin natin dito, may foil method tayong ditong gagawin. Yan, so, given our number 5 is product rule. Let me teach you how to do this. So, ito yung given natin. Itong B, itong Y. So, itong 6 at itong may 4, you will just copy. Ilalagay nyo lang sila dito. Pag na-copy nyo na, gagawin nito dito, copy natin itong 2, 6, 2 again, and always add minus 1. Then, copy the minus 3 and put 0 because it always be a 0. Etong part na to, dito yan. Dito siyang part na yan. Tapos etong part na to, ang gagawin din natin ay ganun din. So, may G. So, copy lang ulit natin. So, parang bring down 0.4 x and 2 and always add minus 1. Negative 2, 0. Para silang may 0. And, pagkatapos nyan guys, ang gagawin natin, so yan, magkahiwalay yan. Kahiwalay ha. Ito, f1x, so 2 times 6 equals 12. And, copy the x. Ganun din sa kabila. 2 times 4 equals 8. Basta, huwag nyo lang kalimutan yung ikakopy nyo to. Ang gagawin nyo dito, times lang. Times. So, yan. Ang magiging answer natin. Ayan, ito ang ating FOIL method. Pasensya na akong magulo. So, ito. Basta yung sinabi ko kanina, i-copy nyo yung given and yung derivatives na answer natin kanina. Which is itong 8x and 12x. Yan. So, ang gagawin naman natin next is equals, ang gagawin natin dito, 6 times 8 equals 48. And itong 3 times 8 din dyan. Tapos ito, kung saan ako itong 3, i-bring down mo lang to. Yan, pag na-bring down na, kailangan natin yung sagot ito. Kung tatanungin nyo kung saan ko nakuha to, ito. 3 times 8 equals 24. Kung paano siya ginawa, 6 times 8, 48. 3 times 8, 24. So, yan. Diyan siya nakuha. Tapos, lagyan natin ng x plus. You copy again the 48 and exponent and 24. Always copy ha. Copy ulit. Lagi ang exponent. And always bring down. So, tatanungin nyo, itong 48 is pag-add natin. You will add this. So, combine like terms. So, ang gagawin natin, so, 48 plus 48 equals 96. And don't forget the exponent or the yan, you always copy. And here you will get the 48. So, copy mo ulit ang 48. Copy mo ulit yan. And 24. Kakopy mo lang siya guys. Basta ito, you will add the 48. 48 plus 48, 96 and copy. Magkabilaan dahil FOIL method and combine like terms. So, diba? 96 x 48. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, dahil yan ay nandyan, punta natin dito. Yan. Huwag nyo lang sagot. Ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. I-bring down nyo lang and add. Gawa na natin ang mga rules. Diyan na lahat. So, natapos natin ng madalian. So, yun lang. Thank you.